I'm going to cut some 3/8 by 2 flat bar for this job on my DeWalt 872 chop saw. Using this saw in the past, I know that when I make a cut with this saw, it removes 1/8 of an inch of material. Now, I need 10 pieces of this flat bar, 7 inches long. The way I'm going to mark this, instead of taking the time to mark each one, cut it, and mark it again individually, I'm going to make a mark at 7, 14 1/8, 21 1/4, 28 3/8. Now, how many you'd want to go, that's pretty much going to depend on the degree of accuracy you need. Because obviously, the more you do this, counting on that saw removing 1/8 of an inch, the further off you're going to get. This is a number I'm comfortable with on it, and it saves me quite a bit of time because I'm not going to stop and measure each one. I got my 3/8 by 2 flat bars cut here 7 inches long. 10 of them I've put together. Give them a little squeeze like this. I'll take a square, give them a little push. Now they're flat on the table making a good line here, and that square has got them even on the end right there. I got my dark glasses on. I got a Miller-Matic. Run quick across that corner. Now it's time to make the notch I need in all these plates. This could be done with an angle grinder, but you'd have to angle grind each one individually. You could also do this with an iron worker if you had one. You could use the iron worker's shear or nibbler to nibble off the corner. But there again, you'd still have to do them individually. I've got my DeWalt 872 set up at 45 degrees, and the only part of these bars I've got tacked together is the part I'm going to cut off. So cutting that notch the way I did in the saw left me with these plates with the notch like this. And since I tacked them together on that corner that I cut off, when I cut it off, now they're not tacked together anymore. These plates fit into a beam that has a radius like this, and that's the reason for the notch. Now they fit great and ready to weld.